Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to open some unclaimed, lost, returns, mail, and it came from Fun Delivered. This is a company that you can trust. They will not mess with you. They are reliable. And we should begin now. That's Rusty up there. How's everybody doing today? I love it that it's not snowing. So we have grape water face mist. Natural grape seed hydration, soothing and moisturizing, antioxidant protection. It's by SYABO. It says completely wet the mask towel with grapeseed spray. Well, that'll be something maybe to try. Could always use a little moisture. Pretty old here. I would like to take a moment and ask everyone to please subscribe, share, like, comment. I always answer the comments. My goal is, and I know it's not that big, but to me it is, to get at least 500 subscribers by August, when my birthday is, and I'm going to be 75. So I don't know why I do this, but I find it interesting and fun. So I hope people will subscribe. Thanks. And here we go on to the next lost mail. Let's see where this might have been from. It says, return to sender. Anybody know that song, Return to Sender? Address unknown. No such number. No such phone. I won't startle you with my singing, but I know that song. Where's everybody from? It's always interesting to see where my subscribers or viewers are from. It feels so odd. It's really like hard. Now that is interesting. Size XL. It must be vacuum sealed because it's hard. But the only way we can know what it is to open it up. Woo! It's puffing up already. And this aircraft contains a cartridge. What? Equipped with expensive charges. It's a hoodie. Puma. I don't think it's the real deal. And pants to go with it. Not bad material. And it's a size XL. Well, that's kind of nice. And we have a cell phone cover. At least that's what it feels like. It is, and it's got, this is what it looks like. I don't seem to see what the size is. Must be, it's been open. Must be they had tried it and it wasn't the right size for their phone. Well, I'll have to see later if it fits my phone. That's kind of nice. I think it's like Spider-Man. Oh, Spider-Gwen? Spider something. Another, let's see, what's it say there? No, can't read it. Has anybody ever heard of this brand? H-A-L-A-R-A. I'm not sure what this is. Is it a... Oh, it's a little scrunchy thing for your hair. Came with a card. And this. Let's see what we've got from this company. Oh, that's cute. XL. Oh, that's really nice. Cute little dress. Looking to see if I see a size. Yes. XL. I think I may have said that before. This is really, really nice. Really like this. And now we have this one, which I believe is the return. It is Pet Pajamas, Beagle Standard Poodle, 17-inch, size medium. Pajamas for your pooch. Well, isn't that cute? I don't know if they would like it. It was cost $9.72. Let's go for this box, which is lost or unclaimed mail. Let's see what it says. No such number, and it was going to Flushing's, New York, but they couldn't find the person. Probably got buried in all the snow we've gotten recently. Oh my. I think it's something good. Could it be so? Oh yeah. Stanley mug. And let's see. It hasn't been opened. Well, I can't believe I'm having such a hard time with this. I don't want to wreck it. There it comes. Stanley. Let's see what excuse me. Let's see what color it is. There's the straw. Oh my gosh. It's got Hello Kitties all over it. Well, isn't that the cutest thing? It's a 40 ounce. With Hello Kitties on it. That is super nice. I love cats. I have two cats. We have Rusty, the orange kitty that was there earlier. And if you've watched my videos before, we got Smokey, the gray kitty, who's always into something. I'm sorry, Smokey. Well, that's really nice. I'm excited. This is great. We have two more. I'm doing more today than I usually do. Now this says JFK. So it must have been at the airport. This is some more of the Alera items. Wow, and this is size large and the color is flamingo. Well, let's, whoa. That must be that's kind of weird. I'm not sure how this goes. Now to me, this looks like underwear, but it can't be, so it must be the top, and then this maybe side arms or something. I don't know, because it's a dress down here. I don't know this. It's a nice dress. It's nice material. I just don't know how it goes on. You think I would. We have one more package. Boo-hoo. I love, it's like Christmas. I love opening up the stuff. What's nice, I have 2 daughters and a grandson and his wife, and so if there's things that I can't use, they can use the stuff, or friends that we know. So nothing ever gets wasted. And we do sometimes donate items. We have this church thrift store that we donate stuff to sometimes. Wow, I'll be darned. This is the nicest box we've gotten with things. This is a backpack. It's really nice. Well, I guess I didn't have to open the top. Straps. It's got a pocket there, a place for water. Let's see. These hook like this. Nice big area for items. Yes, this is a very nice another area. Wow, we did really well today. And we've got more that we'll be doing soon. We have a box here filled. Oh, let's see. So we'll be getting to those soon. Now, before I go, I'd like to ask everyone to please like, subscribe, please. Share, comment. I always answer my comments. And I hope everyone has a great day. And thank you for watching my channel. Please come back for the next one. It'll be interesting. You know, it might be. So have a great day. Alrighty, look. And this is Smokey. He's checking things out.